guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique if you're new here, and today I am going to be doing a crochet braid tutorial, which I haven't done in a very long time. If you guys have been a subscriber of mine for a while, you have seen previous crochet braid tutorials from me. I usually do like I guess you would say like loose hair tutorials, bulk hair. I was really into doing the Marley crochet braids, and I perm rodded them, but now you know you can buy them pre-curled and you don't even have to do any of that anymore. But this time I'm doing a crochet style on these faux locks that I purchased from Sam's Beauty. So this video is not sponsored. I bought the hair with my own money, and I will be going into more detail about the hair and all of that in the tutorial, and I will also leave a link below to the hair that I purchased. Basically, when I was going through the footage for my tutorial to edit, I realized that I did not film an intro. So I wanted to film an intro really quickly for you guys. This hair is now, I want to say 6 weeks old, if maybe 5 to 6 weeks old. I installed it January 16th and today is February 25th. In the next shot, you guys will see how it looked at the end of the tutorial when I first got it done, and I'll also include some pictures at the end of the video, but this is more so just to do an intro, just so you guys aren't jumping straight into the tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Rate, comment, subscribe, follow me on all of my social media. It is Dominique Jazell. All of it is Dominique Jazell. So pretty easy to remember. I hope to see you guys on social media and enjoy the video. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay guys, so I've already braided my hair. I have 12 braids going across the front and 6 braids in the back with the braid at the bottom. Today I'm going to be doing the easy bohemian locks. I know it's winter time, but I just really wanted some locks. Like, I've been trying the whole wig thing as protective styles, and I was just kind of over the fact that I have to put it on my head every day. I know you can sew wigs down and all of that, but I wanted something easy, something that I wasn't gonna have to learn how to do, I guess. And crochet braids are tried and true for me, so I went ahead and got these off of Sam's Beauty. They are itch-free. I've never bought hair that's advertised itself as itch-free. It comes pre-looped. I've opened a package here just so you guys can see. They're 18 inches long. I'm going to count and see about how many locks come in each package. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the perimeter of my head. So I'm pretty much done. I started to get on a roll and just did not film. As you guys can see, these braids are kind of far back. I think I might add one more, especially here. This is all the locks I have left. I literally have like 6 locks left, and I still have a whole braid to do right here. It's a small one, thank goodness. So let me finish up these last few little this last braid. I don't have a last few, but this last braid, and then go in and fill and move where I need to. So I'm probably just gonna fast forward. One thing I'm kind of nervous about is on parts where like my braid was thicker, it's kind of coming undone. So I'm nervous about that, but I'm trusting that it's gonna work out. Okay guys, so I'm back. Ignore all of the mess behind me because I just filmed and opened my mail, and this is what it's looking like. Let me see if I can back it up. Okay, this is what it looks like. Done, complete. Let me show you guys the back. I think it's pretty covered. This is 18 inches. I don't know if you guys can see how far it falls on me. I'm 5'4". I think it looks pretty decent in a ponytail. Like you can see that they're crochet braids, and I think it looks pretty cute. I'm very, very pleased. This is what it looks like pulled up. I haven't been able to see the back, so I have no idea how it looks in the back pulled up, so I'm going to have to do my mirror trick so I can see the back and go in and fill in. I almost ran out of hair. I have 5 strands left, so yeah, the 6 packs was just enough. So yeah, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. We'll see how long the hair lasts. I'm sorry y'all, I can't stop looking at myself because it's been so long since I've done a style like this, and it's been so long since I've had like longer hair because all the wigs that I was wearing were short, because I was like, I need to get a conservative wig for work. But then I was like, you know what? Life is too short. Life is too short to be, telling yourself what you can't do because of the environment that you're in. So I was like, I'm going to get me some hair. This is the finished product, and I'll show you guys what it looks like with the jewelry and accessories in it and all of that good stuff. So, see you in a second.